You are in my office with me, Brian, and we will now examine this very scarce early 20th century manufacturer's promotional item in the original soft leather cover stamped in gilt. It's from Western Massachusetts, West Boylston Manufacturing Company. It's a centenary issue item. It's a small press run without any question about it, and it is full of fine roto-gravure printing on this nice heavy paper stock. Brief little overview of the history of the company. Started in Worcester County and then in Easthampton, Massachusetts, a big huge mill building. There'll be images of that following. This may well be, in fact, the mill building, or one of them, that is owned by Kevin Eastman of heavy metal fame and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle fame. A very smart, intelligent, talented artist who owns a giant mill building out in Western Mass in Easthampton. And here we'll see now various images. This type of item issued for a company would have been produced in a small press run for their distribution to customers, etc. It's interesting because some of the images show like people lined up for cotton in the cotton storehouses here with hand trucks of cotton, and here we are with a railroad truck on a loading dock. And here's a nice little bird's eye view, or panoramic prospect view is a better term. And here we have a bird's eye of some houses. Yeah, this is a very nice item. And things like this are always elusive. Yep, because they weren't really sold in bookstores or from door to door. You had to somehow have some form of connection to the company to receive it, either do business with them or something of this nature. Here is that big double-page panoramic view. I believe Kevin Eastman owns one or all of whatever remains of those buildings. And here are some officers at the rear. This is how the item survives. And if it interests you, it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.